In this video, you'll learn how to create your own custom selection filters to define which objects can be selected in the model. This video shows an example of creating a selection filter that only selects cast-in-place and precast columns. The same filtering technique can be used for steel, concrete, timber, and miscellaneous parts. You can create new selection filters in the Object Group Selection Filter dialog. On the Selecting toolbar, click the filter icon to open the dialog. Then, click New Filter. Add filter rules to define which objects are included or excluded. You can create as many filter rules as needed and apply several filter rules at the same time. For this example, we'll add 4 filter rules. In the first filter rule, define that the object type must be part. In the category list, select Object. This category filters objects based on their object-level properties. In the property list, select Object Type. This property filters objects based on their type. In the condition list, select Equals. This condition filters objects that are an exact match for the value that you select in the value list. In the value list, select Part. In the AND/OR list, select AND. The AND/OR options define how the rows work together. Using AND means that the filter matches when both this row and the next row match. In the second filter rule, define that the part name must be column. To combine the filter criteria in the first and second filter rules into a single rule, enclose the rules in brackets. Add an opening bracket before the first filter rule and a closing bracket after the second filter rule. Combining rules with brackets lets you create more complex filter rules. In the third and fourth filter rules, define that the assembly type must be precast or cast in place. In the category list, select Assembly. In the property list, select Assembly Type. In the value box, enter the assembly types for precast and cast in place. Enter 0 in the third filter rule and 1 in the fourth filter rule. In the AND/OR list, select OR. Using OR means that the filter matches when either this row or the next row matches. Combine the filter criteria in the third and fourth filter rules using brackets. The filter is now looking for parts named column that are precast or cast-in-place concrete. Enter a unique name for your selection filter and save the filter. You cannot use spaces in filter names, but you can use underscores to separate words. Filter names are case-sensitive. To have your filter appear at the top of the list after the standard filter, start the filter name with a capital letter. Your new selection filter is automatically selected in the filter list. You can now use your selection filter to select only cast-in-place and precast columns. Steel columns and any other columns or parts are not selected. For example, you can use the selection filter to select columns to create a report from the selected objects.